Good morning students. Today I am going to explain experiment number 5, measurement of three-phase power using 2 wattmeter method. And aim of the experiment is to measure the three-phase power using 2 wattmeter method. Here the apparatus required is we need 3 ammeter and 3 different rheostat loads and 2 wattmeter to measure the three-phase power. So this is the circuit diagram of three-phase power, and now I will show how to conduct practically. The procedure is the connections are made as per the circuit diagram. Vary the load and note down the corresponding voltage using voltmeter, and also measure current using ammeter and wattmeter for various load. The procedure will be repeated for different values. Now I will show the practical conduction of your this 2 wattmeter method for 3-phase input.
Let us conduct experiment number 5, measurement of 3-phase power by using 2 wattmeter method. See here, 2 wattmeters we are using, here one and then here one. This voltmeter and ammeter is optional. If you want, you can use for manual calculation purpose, but based on the experiment title, not required, right? So here there is a 3-phase supply. I just considered star connection, okay? And MCB is for safety, as well as this one on-off condition purpose, fuse will be there for safety. And auto transformer we are using. Without auto transformer also we will conduct, but auto transformer is must for conducting the experiment. So first I will connect this part, okay? Star connection part. This one is R1, R2, Y1, Y2, B1, B2. Internally there is a resistance will be there, so we are varying the resistive load. See, R2, Y2 shorted, and then B2 shorted. See here, this Y2 terminal, B2 terminal, R2 terminal shorted, connected to neutral point, right? So I will be taking neutral one point from the anyone R2, Y2, B2 or any. I'll be taking some B2. You can take Y2 also. Okay. Just connect neutral. This part is over. This part is over. Next we'll start with supply. See here, there is a supply we are giving from the testing terminal, okay, for auto transformer. R2 R, Y2 Y. We are giving 3-phase supply to the transformer, and B2 B, neutral to neutral, right? So input part over, till here over. Now output part, right? R dash to emitter positive, right? So R dash to emitter positive. I mean positive in sense phase, okay? In the AC there is no positive negative, only phase neutral. And emitter negative to, see here, emitter negative to M. So wattmeter is having 4 terminals, MLCV. M is the main, L is the load side, C is the common, V is the voltage. Emitter negative to M, right? M. Next, L. This L to this R1, right? So load R1. So L to load R1. Right? This part over. So R line is over, next Y line, right? See, Y dash to M of another wattmeter. See, another wattmeter, this one, okay? So Y2, directly I will be giving M, right? And load to, I mean wattmeter L to load Y1, right? Next, B point next. I mean B dash to, where I should give B dash to here, I mean B1 terminal, right? This B1 terminal, see here, B1 terminal. So I'll connect over here. See the wattmeter connection. MC shorted, right? MC shorted. V is connected to here B line, and then this one MC shorted. Both the wattmeters. MC shorted. So just will connect the MC short, M and C short, right? I'm shorting MC. Another wattmeter also MC short, right? MC shorted, right? Next, what I will do? this V and then this V same point, right? So V2, where I should connect? This one V2, this auto transformer B dash or this B1. So I'll connect see here this V and then this V will short, and then directly I'll be connecting to this B1 or this B dash. That's all, right? Because same point will be there. Otherwise I'll connect V2 B dash and then this V2 B dash. See here this V2 B dash and the other one V2, another one V2, another one wattmeter to B dash. Same point, okay? Same point. Because common point we have taken B dash. Right? B dash other connect here or here, your wish, okay? Next we'll connect a voltmeter across supply. So to measure line voltage, okay? So I'll be connecting one R line. Another one is another terminal, I mean neutral terminal to Y line. Any R to Y line, R to B line or B to Y line, because voltage must be same. Line voltage in the 3 lines, and then phase voltage also same in the 3 phases. Right? Let's start the experiment. Before conducting the experiment, auto transformer must be minimum position. See here, minimum. And next, switch on the power supply by using a 3-phase MCB. Right? And switch on the meters. Okay? I'll be varying the voltage around 300 volts. By varying the load, note down the wattmeter. See here, 2 wattmeter method. 2 wattmeters we're using. Just you add the 2 wattmeter reading, we'll get the experiment result. Right? So this one is the load. I'll be varying the load. Okay? So just note down the readings. Line voltage is at around 300, right? So 300 voltage must be same. What about IL? IL is 0.259. That this ammeter and then voltmeter is optional. Okay. What about wattmeter reading? Wattmeter reading for first load. So wattmeter 1 reads 0.01. Wattmeter 2 reads 0.05. See here 0.05 is there. 0.05. So I'll be varying the load once again. See here. So what about current? 0.506, right? 0.506. So this one is 0.1, wattmeter 1. What about wattmeter 2? That was 0.1, right? 0.1. Next I'll be varying the other load. See here, current is 0.751, 0.12, right? Here 0.15. And next reading, if what you can take. See here, wattmeter reads here 0.15, here 0.2, right? 0.2 here. So next reading for 300, fourth load, 0.15, here 0.25. Next for 400 will conduct. Reduce the load slowly. Vary the auto transformer till 400. So see the wattmeter reading for 0th load, you'll get 0 wattmeter reading. Just to vary the load, current will vary and then wattmeter reading also vary. But voltage must be same. Okay. So vary the load. See here 0.5 and the wattmeter 2 is 0.1 and vary the load, second load. Here wattmeter reading first current 0.680. Wattmeter 1 reading is 0.15. And the wattmeter 2 reading is 0.2. And vary the load once again. Third load. Okay. So what about the current? 1.011. 1.01. Right. If you want a fourth reading, you can vary and remove the connection. Without auto transformer, we will conduct the experiment. Auto transformer is must